What is epigenetics? Have you ever wondered how our genes can be influenced by things outside of our DNA? This is where epigenetics comes into play. So, what exactly is epigenetics? It is the study of how cells manage gene activity without changing the actual DNA sequence. Instead of altering the DNA itself, epigenetics focuses on changes in gene expression through modifications in the chromosome. These changes can turn genes on or off and can be influenced by various environmental factors or developmental processes. In the realm of genetics, epigenetics involves chemical modifications to DNA or the proteins that DNA wraps around, which are known as histones. These modifications include processes like DNA methylation and histone modification. They can change how genes are expressed without altering the underlying DNA sequence. What is fascinating is that these epigenetic changes can be passed down from parent cells to daughter cells during cell division and, in some cases, even from one generation to the next. When we look at schizophrenia research, the relevance of epigenetics becomes even clearer. Schizophrenia is a complex mental health condition that has a strong genetic component, but it is also shaped by environmental factors. For instance, prenatal exposure to stress or infection can influence the development of this disorder. Epigenetic changes may help explain how these environmental factors interact with genetic predispositions to impact the likelihood of developing schizophrenia. Researchers are actively studying how epigenetic modifications might contribute to the onset of schizophrenia. By comparing the epigenetic profiles of individuals with schizophrenia to those without, scientists aim to identify specific epigenetic changes associated with the disorder. This research could lead to a better understanding of how environmental factors influence genetic risk. It may even help identify new targets for treatment, offering hope for more effective interventions in the future. In summary, epigenetics plays a significant role in understanding schizophrenia. It bridges the gap between genetics and environmental influences, providing a clearer picture of how this complex disorder develops. As research continues, we may uncover more about how our environment and experiences shape our genetic expression, particularly in relation to mental health conditions like schizophrenia.